Sunday night game of the season. What a way to start the season. September 5th and September the 8th.
Shoot from there.
With Dallas up 17-13, 4:50 left. More than that, even. Webb with the touchback. Kind of the feeling in Michelle.
And I'm with Tony Romo, who back in April had a little cyst removed from your back. You weren't able to do a lot of football stuff until camp started, but how are you physically?
I feel good. 100%. Working hard over the last month, so I feel real good. It's been a good training camp.
Yeah, everyone wonders what that cyst is all about, and how do you describe it?
I don't know. You'd have to ask the doctor.
Well, listen, a big change on offense in that Jason Garrett will not be calling the offensive plays. That's turned over to Bill Callahan. How do you expect the play calling to be different?
I don't know that. More than anything, I think, we're just going through the whole process. We're gonna
Good day, Epps.
Things we're going to do a little bit different, but it's still the same system. And Jason's every bit as involved. It'll just be Bill calling the plays.
Come on, make it from there.
When you signed your big deal in March, 6 years, $108 million, Jerry Jones came out and said he wants you to be more involved, spend more time at the facility. How is that different from what it's been up to this point?
Well,